Understanding stove is on low. English phrases explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language: stove is on low. This phrase is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of English. So, let's dive in and decode this phrase together. Let's start by understanding the literal meaning of the phrase. The word stove refers to the kitchen appliance used for cooking. When we say the stove is on low, it means the heat setting of the stove is turned down to a low level. This setting is often used for slow cooking or keeping food warm without burning it. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used figuratively. In a broader sense, saying, "The stove is on low," can imply that something is operating at a reduced or minimal level. It can be applied to various situations, such as business operations, personal energy levels, or even the intensity of a conversation. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Cooking context. I've left the soup on the stove on low. It'll be perfect by dinner time. 2. Business context. Since it's the holiday season, our office operations are like a stove on low. 3. Personal context. After a long week, I'm feeling like my energy is on low, just like a stove on a simmer. When using this phrase, be careful not to confuse it with similar phrases like stove is off or stove is on high. Each phrase has a distinct meaning. Stove is on low specifically indicates a mild or moderate level of activity or intensity. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase stove is on low in both its literal and figurative senses. Remember, English is full of such phrases, and learning them can add flavor and depth to your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.